have a patient that came into the emergency room for altered level of consciousness. The patient name is Ara Stark. Mom is at bedside. I'm going to go make sure that it's okay to give this medication. Dr. Who has prescribed naloxone, hydrochloride 0.4 milligrams IM stat for today and for now. Going to verify that medication quickly. Yep, it is the same. I am going to go get permission from the mom before I pull that medication. I'll be right back. Pull the curtain for privacy. Mrs. Stark, hi. So it looks like your daughter overdosed on something. So Dr. Who has put in a SAT order for what we call Narcan. It's going to help wake her up, reverse the effects of what she took. One of the major side effects, though, is she's probably going to start vomiting right away, and she probably will get restless and agitated, okay? I just got to get permission for you to go grab that medication. I'll be back to give it to her. Is that okay? All right, I'll be right back, okay? Can you verify her name and date of birth for me? Okay, good. All right, no allergies? No? Okay. I'll be right back, okay? Gonna go into the MAR, make sure that it's for Ara Stark. Birthday is 08/09/2000. Dr. Who has prescribed naloxone, hydrochloride, 0.4 milligrams IM stat for today and for now by Dr. Who. I'm pulling the Narcan. I have my needle, alcohol swab. Okay. Going to alcohol swab it. I'm going to draw back air. Going to get 0.4. Okay. I'm going to go into the room. Scan a wristband. Okay. Alcohol swab. Mrs. Stark, if you could, I'm going to have you hold that cup so that when I give this to her, she'll probably start throwing up right away, okay? It is one of the side effects for it. One more time, can you verify her name and date of birth for me? I'm going to go into the computer. Okay, scan a wristband, scan the medication. Okay. No allergies? No? Okay. I'm going to swab the site, take the cap off. All right, go 3 down. Okay. Then I'm going to put the safety thing on, put it into the sharps container. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay, yeah, so she probably will throw up a little bit. Okay, that's normal. Do you have any questions for me? No, I'm just going to document that I gave the medication. All right, if she starts acting weird in any way, please don't hesitate to call. The call light is right here. I'll be back in to check in on her in 15 minutes, okay? All right. All right, do you have any questions? No? Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to sanitize my hands one more time. I just got a new order from Dr. Who for the patient Jean Simmons. She's complaining of a headache. Her date of birth is 10/31/66. The order is for Tylenol 500 milligrams PO now for now and timestamp for today. I'm just going to check the MR, make sure that we have the same here. Yep, Tylenol 500 milligrams. Expiration is 03/2039. I'm going to go talk to my patient, make sure that's a good course of treatment for her, and then I'll be back to grab that medication. Hi, Jean. How are you doing today? Good. All right. I heard that, pull the curtain. I heard that you're complaining of a headache. Okay. Well, the doctor has put in an order, Dr. Who has put in an order for Tylenol. Have you ever had that before? Yeah, you have. Okay. Any issues with that? No? Okay. What would you rate your pain right now? A 3? Okay. Alright, well, hopefully this Tylenol will kick in and it will get rid of that headache of yours, okay? Alright. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay. Alright. So, with Tylenol, some of the side effects are nausea, stomach pain, itching, or a rash. But if you've had it before and had no issues, we won't really be worried about that, but just keep an eye. If something starts to not feel right, just let us know, okay? Do you have any difficulty swallowing? No? Okay. Can you just take a sip of water for me? Okay. Did that go down okay? Alright. I'm going to go grab that medication for you, and then I'll be right back. Do you have any questions for me? No? Okay. I'll be right back. Alright. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to go into the Pyxis. I'm going to grab my Tylenol, 500 milligrams. Expiration is 03/2039, so we're good on that. I'm going to go back into my patient's room and give her this medication. Hi, Jean. Alright, so I have that Tylenol here for you. I just need you to verify your name and date of birth for me. I'm going to go into the computer. I'm going to scan the wristband. Good. And any allergies? Scan the medication. Going to open it. Alright, here you go. How'd that go? Alright. Okay. It wouldn't be a bad idea to also get some food in you, okay? Just to help. Maybe that could be causing a little bit of your headache, okay, hon? I'll be back to check on you about 45 minutes. It normally takes about an hour to kick in. If it gets worse between now and then, just let me know and I'll come back in and see what we can do for you, okay? Just going to document that I gave you that medication. Alright, here's your Cala and your water, and I'll be back in a couple minutes, okay? In a little bit. Do you have any questions in the meantime? No? Okay. Alright, Jean. Don't hesitate to call if you need anything. Thank you.